As an environmental technologist, I see myself on the front lines of protecting the environment.
The work I do will help restore and rehabilitate damaged or polluted areas.
I'm passionate about doing work that I know will create change, a positive impact on the future.
Not only will I be working outdoors, but I'll also be doing work that makes a difference.
The great thing is the environmental technology program blends practical experience and solid academic foundations.
It's about hands-on work and not all theory.
The instructors are awesome. The classes are great, interesting, and fun.
I'm learning how to use the tools and instruments in the field.
If you're at all interested in the environment, working outside, and creating positive change in the world, this program is for you.